channel, Imina Family Vlog. Thanks for watching my video and supporting me. Today I'm going to show you how to make Badusha. This is a sweet recipe. Everyone will like it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with family and friends. Also don't subscribe. Come with me to the kitchen. Maida, sugar, lemon juice, ghee, baking powder, salt, water, curd, elachi and sugar powder. First we will make the dough. Add salt. Add curd. Add baking powder. Add sugar powder. Add ghee. Add some water. Mix well. Now do like this. Continue doing like this. This is to make the dough soft. Now make a round shape and press it. Now we will cut it. Now keep one portion on the top and press it. Again cut it. Again keep one portion on the other and press it. This is to get layers. Repeat the same for 10 times. Now the dough is ready. Close and keep it for 15 minutes. Now we'll make sugar syrup. Pour some water. Add sugar. Boil it for some time. At this stage, add lemon juice. Add elachi powder. Switch off the flame. Now the sugar syrup is ready. After 15 minutes, we'll open the bowl. Again knead for some time. take small portions and make small bowls. Again knead for some time. Cut into small pieces. Now we'll make small bowls. Just press and make Badusha shape. Heat a pan and pour some oil. Now we will fry this. Cook in medium flame. Now it's fried, we'll put it in sugar syrup. Dip it in sugar syrup. Keep it in sugar syrup for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we will take it out. Our Baadhushas are ready. My Badusha is ready. I decorated with pistas. See you in the next video. Elena signing off. Bye-bye.